Okay.
Ah!
Life-threatening illnesses like heart attack and kidney failure can be prevented entirely if detected early. All it takes is a simple do-it-yourself test for presence of protein in urine.
One in 3 persons in cities suffer from diabetes. Similarly, almost 1 in 3 suffer from high blood pressure. By doing a simple test of urine albumin, which is a marker not just for kidney disease, it's also a marker for a heart disease, you can identify those who would have early damage to the blood vessels. And if we take preventive actions at this stage, we are going to enormously reduce the burden of chronic disease in this country. The slogan for this year's World Kidney Day is "Protect your kidneys, save your heart." You might be wondering, what is the connection between the kidneys and the heart? It has been shown that if you have a kidney dysfunction, you have a 3-fold chance of getting heart attacks. Why is it so? Kidneys contain small capillaries. So if they get damaged, it's a damage to the vascular system. The earliest damage to the smallest blood vessel in the body is reflected in the kidneys. The person who at the age of 25, if he has a kidney failure, he has the heart of a normal person of 85 years of age. So that's how the heart gets affected in a person who has kidney failure. So it's essential that we detect kidney disease when you are young. That's why our emphasis this year of sugarbp.org, which is a venture of Balaji Medical Education Trust, is to screen youngsters for a kidney disease. We have developed a novel home detection kit which can detect the presence of albumin or protein in the urine and identify kidney disease very early. Once the kidney disease is detected early, we can prevent further damage to the kidneys. This way, the heart can also be protected. The most important point you have to understand is that if you reduce the salt even by 10%, your blood pressure can drop by 5 millimeters. It's very important that we balance properly the proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vegetables, fruit intake, so that we get sufficient fiber, sufficient nutrition and sufficient antioxidants. Exercise for at least 30 minutes a day. It dilates all the blood vessels, so the circulation improves. It protects the heart, it protects the kidneys. Stop smoking. Smoking has shown to have deleterious effect on all the blood vessels. So you find to that extent that we do not permit a smoker to donate kidney even to his near relative. Avoid various drugs across the counter. So if we are going to take especially painkillers, various herbal or other medicines which can contain heavy metals, across the counter we can damage our blood vessels and kidney. You should check the urine albumin at least once a year to detect the kidney disease. Presence of albumin in the urine is the first indicator of a kidney disease. About 80% of the patients with kidney disease can be detected by checking urine for albumin. So protect your kidneys, save your heart.
For further details, log on to www.sugarbp.org.